Hey, it's me again. No, I don't think some of these videos are really good, but please subscribe. I don't like once I get used to making videos, like if I am able to figure out how to make really cool videos, like on like talking to you people, then I'm sure I will. And if anyone knows a guy named Arndor, which is just some guy on YouTube, uh, tell him to look for this video or the first video called My First Video. It actually made that face too. Well, anyways, I just wanted to show you something. Indica! Here she comes. Indica! Oh, Indica! Come here! Come here! This is my dog, Indica. Oh, come here! I call her Pretty Cow. Come here, Indica! And my dog is acting like an idiot. Oh!
She is very lovable.
Sometimes she hums, just to let you know. Come on. Come on, girl. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Do you like it? Look. Look. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, she said hi. See you later, guys.